it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. It is cold, but not too cold. It's like fall cold. It's a little bit rainy here, a little drizzly. So I actually decided today that I wanted to burn my Feliz Navidad candle. By the way, I just got one from Homeworks too, so that's going to be interesting. Check it out. This is the Bath and Body Works version. I've had this going now for probably about 3.5 or 4 hours. Got a great wax pull, and it is performing very well. So now this is one of the Bath and Body Works pricey candles. This one is $32.95, and you get the upgraded lid. So this lid actually kind of matches the face, which I just realized, of the clock. Look at this. So if you wanted to create kind of like a home decor theme going on there, it actually kind of looks nice together with the gold and the snowflake. It seems like snowflakes are a big part of this year's theme for Bath & Body Works. The problem with these pricey candles is that you have to wait for a single candle sale in order to get a good deal. So I actually bought mine during the $14.95 sale, but I had a coupon, so it was a pretty good deal. I was happy. So the other one that they have in this design is 'Tis the Season, which is a great I love the 'Tis the Season. 'Tis the Season is absolutely wonderful. I do want to get that one eventually. So I love this one. It says, what it smells like: a comforting and sweet with just a hint of spice. It's a spicy chocolate candle. And you know what I'm trying to figure out? So is this hot cocoa and Scream? So a couple years ago, when we had hot cocoa and Scream, a lot of us were trying to figure out if it actually was a little bit spicier or if it was just hot cocoa and cream with the, marketing around it. And I'm kind of wondering, I should go grab my hot cocoa and Scream and do a comparison, because this one is definitely a little spicier, but it's not like super spicy. So it's called Feliz Navidad, and thumbs up. Why am I getting the thumbs up? It's Champorado, which I'm probably pronouncing wrong, which is a spiced Mexican chocolate masa caramel picalocillo. I'm getting that terribly wrong, and someone please correct me. And steamed milk. So it is a spicy chocolate, and you can tell when you're burning it that it does have like this richness to it. I love it. I gotta say, I like this a lot better than hot cocoa and cream. Hot cocoa and cream, do I have that up here? Is absolutely one of my favorite Bath & Body Works candles. But it's a little bit more of just like the milky chocolate, and it doesn't reach that nice spicy level. I wouldn't call this one's not like jalapeno. It's not like sriracha. It's not like a spicy chocolate. It just has, in my opinion, just a little bit more richness to it, and like just a hint of spice. It's like just an edge, but I actually like this one a lot better. It just it throws better. There's something about it. It's warm, it's comforting, and it spreads through the house, and it feels festive. That's what I like about it. So I'm loving this candle. I would say, on my scale, I would call this probably a 9.5. I had this in the living room, and we were all sitting there going, oh my gosh, this candle smells absolutely amazing. So if you like your chocolate just a little bit stronger and a little bit spicier, it doesn't smell like dark chocolate, by the way. It's not like, it doesn't go into that realm. It's more of just like a spicier milk chocolate. I'm kind of wondering if this was hot cocoa and Scream. Like I said, I'm going to do the side-by-side comparison. But anyway, this is definitely one on my top 10 Christmas candle list. I'm going to be doing a video as I review these, my top 10 Christmas candles for this season. And this one is definitely high up on the list, not only because it smells so good, but also because it's something different. I'm like, it's so nice to have something different. By the way, I need to get to some of these other Christmas candles. There's so many on the list. I was smelling the cinnamon caramel swirl earlier today, and I'm like, that smells so good. Oh, in the store the other day, I smelled balsam and bergamot. I don't know. I'm not a fan cold, but we'll see what that's doing. I want to get it lighted up. Woodlands is new. I have to do Happy Hanukkah. I, of course, have all of our classics, the Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel, Twisted Peppermint. It's funny, a lot of people were saying that they thought the Twisted Peppermint smelled like lighter fluid. I kind of get that. I think a couple of years I had a weird one. Again, I think it could be a batch issue. So anyway, lots of Christmas candles. I'm going through the list going, I gotta review all these Christmas candles. Oh, I love 'tis the season. Anyway, definitely check out Feliz Navidad. I can't even pick this thing up. It's got such a big wax pull on it now. Anyway, if you have this one, let me know what you think. It is a total win. Why can't I get the thumbs up thingy when I want it? I don't know how to activate it. It's like the Fonz. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.